We've come to Bridgnorth. It's a bit wet, but there's castle walls and remains here. Church. Just parked in East Castle Street, free parking, 40 minutes, but we've got to be off soon, so we'll just come for a quick look around. Sam's going for an explore. And we're in the high town looking over the low town.
Look at the view.
Yeah. And we've got the castle grounds, Severn Valley Railway to the right, steps to the low town, the cliff railway, and the town centre to the left. So what does this say? This is obviously the coat of arms. Yeah.
It's a statue.
What's it a statue of? It looks like a soldier pointing at something.
Yeah. Like, oh no! A pigeon is doing a pooping.
You think that's what he's pointing at?
Oh no! A pigeon is pooping. The train is gonna get destroyed. Yeah!
You are funny. Do you know what this is?
No.
They would quite often, this might be called a bandstand.
Where people have weddings.
You could, but quite often there would be a band or something in here, and they would play music, and all the people would sit round and listen and watch.
What music was it? Pop?
No, classical music normally.
So not like the electric guitar drum type band.
No, but they might do.
Wait, Daddy, the statue.
Yeah, go and look at the statue, okay. Can you find out what it is?
Bridge. There's a bridge.
There is a bridge.
I want to go on the bridge.
Well, just wait.
Oh, I have to go on the bus.
Sam, look at these bushes. What is it?
Oh, I thought it was a human.
It's an airplane. And what's this one?
Now, if that was a human, that would be a bit weird.
It would. But come on, what are these next to?
It's a ship. What's that one? Like a
Yeah, That's quite cool.
I forgot what it was called.
Oh my gosh.
There's a person over there. Another statue.
But what's this?
It's the what's that tilted building in Italy?
The Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Yeah, it looks like
It's
that.
it's the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but what is it?
No, it's the Leaning Tower of England.
I think this is a bit of the castle.
No, Daddy, it's the Leaning Tower of England.
Does this sign say what it is?
No.
No.
No, it doesn't. That is really cool though. It's a tank.
So that's what the castle and these grounds would have looked like, Sam. That really looks like it's falling down.
There's a whole gap in it.
I know, that's where it's cracked and it's falling.
You do with mics on YouTube Shorts
Yeah,
or,
whoa, look at that.
or Facebook or something where they go, oh.
Yeah.
Daddy, up. There's a little
Yeah.
rose on the floor. Dada. I'm gonna go see the little man.
That other one, Sam, was to remember people from World War One and Two. So what's this one? This is
I can't reach the top, Daddy.
it's a fountain.
I can't reach the top.
Yeah.
No. It smells very nice, Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, I think they're gardeners. Dada.
Yeah.
See it? I think they're gardeners.
I think they are statues of gardeners, of the people that help look after this. This is a pretty nice place to come and relax and look.
So you get some food. Can I touch the tap?
No,
Why?
because that sign probably says keep off.
It's not like I'm gonna do anything.
Please keep off this area.
It's not like I'm gonna make it or anything.
It might blow you up. Oh, this is a bit of the castle. Bridgnorth Castle grounds. Castle ruins and grounds were given to the Corporation of Bridgnorth in 1956 by the mayor.
Was that Churchill or is he the president?
No, he was the Prime Minister. Look at this. So this would have been the inside of the castle. And you see those big holes up there, the squares? That would have been where big bits of wood went across to make the floor.
Just imagine jumping off the top onto the glass.
No, there would have been stairs in there.
They've done nothing to
Yeah. Do you think it's going to fall on our heads?
Come quickly, it's gonna fall on us. Come quickly. It's gonna fall on our head. It still can fall on our head, you know.
I don't think so.
It can. Look how tall it is.
From what I've read, Sam,
I think with it.
from what I've read, it's been leaning like that for about 300 years. We'd be very unlucky if this was the year that it fell on us.
So you're older than that,
Ah!
aren't you? You're 304, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you funny.
No, it's true.
And this is big church.
Mummy's 143, you're 149, and I'm 111.
Okay.
It's been 100 years into the future.
So we thought we'd stop off at the Severn Valley Railway, and the car park is packed. There is a steep hill to get down there. Go on, go for it.
It's scary, what if it goes up?
It doesn't, it's not that sort of bridge. And Bridgnorth. So that's where we just were a minute ago with the statue and the castle. We've cheated, we've driven along to the Severn Railway, and we're at Severn Railway station, and we're going to have a look and hopefully get something to eat. But Sam couldn't resist running along a bridge. Shall we go up and see the train on the bridge?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's go and have a look. Oh, it's getting wet. Hi. Thank you. No. Sam? Stand here. We stood in the steam. That was cool. Did you not like that? Hello. Yeah. It's not this time.